Good afternoon. I bet you love lavender. I do too. We're going to talk about all things lavender and I want you to join us. My name is Diane Weitknecht and I'm from Purrfect Handcrafted Soaps in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Whether you, like me, love lavender, I got this from my garden outside. We harvest it and we decorate our soaps, our lavender soaps with this, and the buds, we make little sachets that can be purchased at our website. And we have pillow spray, and this is great. If you're going to bed, you can't sleep at night, a few squirts of this, sleep-a-rama. You will get to sleep fast. Or you can add a few drops to a cotton ball and tape it to your pajamas. That's also a great way to help you fall asleep. But I just want to welcome you and thank you for joining us. So today we're going to make some beautiful soap, and I want to introduce a new ingredient that we're going to use today. Aloe is great. It is used for moisturizing and it will complement our soap very nicely. It's aloe vera. It comes in this huge container, and you'll see more aloe in my soaps in the future. So after using this, you put this in the refrigerator and it's available to you when you need it. We are going to add some embeds. I made some lavender soap previously and I cut it up, and we're going to have some color in our soap. So we have pinks and purples and whites, and we're going to add these little lavender chunks. They smell terrific. And we're going to decorate our soaps with these little embeds. These are so cute. So in our container we have olive oil, coconut oil, non-GMO, palm oil, sunflower oil, cocoa butter, castor oil, and our great skin loving ingredients. We have our Tussah Silk, that's in our lye water. We have, of course, our sodium hydroxide, which is lye. You can't make soap without it. We have Colloidal Oats. We have Colloidal Oats. We have kaolin powder. This is going to have make our soap have great scent retention. And in here we have our coconut milk powder, kaolin clay, chamomile powder, which is great for the skin, and of course colloidal oats. We're going to add them to our oils and butters when it comes down to temperature. So I like to soap at about 110 degrees. So when our lye water and oils and butter reach that temperature, we're going to come back and make soap. But I want to show you the colors we're going to use. We have a purple, which I mixed with a little extra virgin olive oil, and it's from Nurture Soap. It's called Purple Vibrance. Love this color. I'm all things purple, so if I can use purple, I will. And we have, of course, for to add a little sparkle, we have Mad Mica Sparkle Plenty. We'll use this on the top. And of course we have our titanium dioxide. This particular one is water soluble, so I added a teaspoon in with titanium dioxide. We have our sodium lactate, which is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It will release our mold in our soap very easily. We have our alcohol, of course, and safety first, we have our safety goggles. Always, always, always need them. So, and gloves are a must. So we're going to come back after I melt my oils and butters, and our lye will come to temperature, and we'll proceed. Our oils are heated, our lye water and our Tussah Silk, our sodium lactate is in here. We are at 103.6 in our oils and butters, and we are at 110.4 now in our lye water. We are ready to mix. We are within 10 degrees of each other. So I am going to slowly pour my lye water onto the stick. I have to tell you, my house area smells like lavender. Lavender is just so relaxing. It's almost hypnotic. The other benefits of lavender are increased relaxation, decreased restlessness, decreased agitation and anxiety, and it really helps you to just relax. You don't need a glass of wine. Just diffuse some lavender or have lavender around. It is an amazing natural remedy. Okay. We're gonna get this to a light trace. I have lots of paper towels because, as you know, soap making can be a bit messy. All right, I'm going to pour my batter into these two containers. I have white, and that'll be the majority of my soap. And we will have this beautiful purple as an accent color. And of course, the aloe that we have in here promotes healing, and it's just going to be super luxurious. And just a new ingredient in our repertoire of soaps. Get all this goodness and wipe our area, of course. Okay, let's stick blend again. I go from lightest to darkest. Look at my beautiful purple, if you can't see it. Let's add some color. Let me get my whisk and blend in my lavender essential oil. Stir this in really well, incorporate. This seems to be at a lighter trace than this one, although this is pretty light. Might fall asleep soon making this. So I encourage you to be inspired by something, and lavender is certainly a great starting place. So we are going to add our white as a base, and we're just going to put in a little purple. We're going to add some embeds. Again, this was a lavender soap that I made previously, and cut it up in small pieces. Just add a different colors and do something different other than pour, making swirls and everything else. So I'm gonna again layer. So making such a relaxing experience, and creativity can just abound. And my favorite part, besides making the soap, is decorating and packaging. You can get super creative as you do that. And we'll add a few more. Done doing that. Put that on the side and add some more white. Okay. Get all this goodness. We are going to tap this down, get all the air bubbles out of here. We should have a stray embed. Just pop this down. What we will do is come back when this has set up. Lavender tends to be pretty slow in getting thick, in my humble opinion, and it might be a little while. Some of the fragrance oils and essential oils I have used, sometimes they go an hour before it gets to a trace we can use to do a topping. I have a Wilton bag right here and a large tip, and we'll come back and do a topping, make a beautiful topping. It'll be a high top soap or a medium, and we'll put these beautiful little embeds on the top, and that'll be your lavender soap. We'll be back. We are back, and I just wanted to show you the consistency we're going to pipe at. This took well over an hour and a half to settle down. So let's see if it's workable, and I will put it into our decorating bag. Let's see where that is. I love these tall cups because they can really hold a lot of this. And let's see what it looks like. I'm going to, oh, it's set up nicely. And like I said, it smells phenomenal in this room. If you've never tried lavender, I encourage you to try some. I know this pandemic has been very hard on people, and using, like I said, if you're having trouble sleeping or just things are driving you crazy, I think the lavender will be a way of keeping you calm, and it's a natural remedy. So try it. Try a pillow spray. Soaking a little cotton ball and taping it to your pajamas. All these will help. Or diffusers are always wonderful. It's going to be a beautiful soap. Lavender is such in high demand, And the prices just keep going up. It's crazy what our soapers are paying for lavender. And we want a good essential oil and not something that's cheap. I source the best for my soaps. Let's put some more in here. I think I have a little. This is like working with icing for a cake. It's pretty cool. Napkins are your best friends, like I said. All right. I think I will have enough. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be getting a lot of different kind of videos out. I just ordered pumpkin oil, and I'm going to make some things with our pumpkin seed oil, and stay tuned for that. So I'm going to put our little embeds, try to stay within the line. I ran out of hearts, so my last one is a flower. You can see I put sparkles on it already. I just love this Sparkle Me Plenty. I think it's beautiful. And our last one is a little flower. I'll put it here. Alrighty. So we'll just put a little. It's like it just a little frost. And put some alcohol so we don't get soda ash. And what we will do is I will put it into a box and fold the little flaps down, wrap it in blankets, and this will sit for 3 days. I'll peek at it tomorrow and see how it's doing, but 3 days we'll come back and we will cut it. Well, I will cut it, I should say. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have comments, please leave them. I will answer you as soon as I can. I just encourage you to try lavender products, whether it's a pillow spray or a diffuser or just using the lavender oil. You can also, people use it and cook with it, so it's very versatile. So thank you for being here, and we'll see you on the next video. This will be available on our website in a couple weeks for sale, and we make some beautiful luxury gift baskets and boxes with this, and I thank you for being here. Have a great day.